Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now students, after learning about Roman numerals, the Roman notations used by Roman peoples and learning of the rules, the three basic rules which we have already studied in our previous lecture. Now moving forward with the next part of this chapter, and today we will do how to convert Hindu Arabic form to Roman form and Roman form to the Hindu Arabic notation. So today we will be learning these two very important concepts related to Roman numerals. How to convert the numbers from the Hindu Arabic to Roman form and Roman form to the Hindu Arabic form. So here I have taken some questions from your book exercise and we will be learning how to convert them. So reading the first question, write in Roman numerals. So the numbers are given to you in the Hindu Arabic form, as you can clearly see on the board. What you have to do, you have to convert it into Roman form. So students, whenever numbers are given to you in the Hindu Arabic form and you have to convert it into Roman form, there is a very simple trick for that. You all have learned how to write any number in its expanded form. So here when we will be converting the numbers to its Roman form, very first we will write the given numbers in its expanded notation very first. So taking up the first solution, so starting the solution one by one for the first part, and our number is 39. So for 39, if we want to see what will be the Roman form for this, what is the Roman numeral for 39? So very first, as I told you that we will be writing the expanded form for this. So 39 can be written as 30 plus 9. Right students? 39 can be written as 30 plus 9. Now, what is the symbol for 30? So for 30, we have symbol X, X, X 3 times because one of the X will represent 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. So this is the symbol of 30 plus 9. What is the symbol of 9? IX. This is our symbol for 9. Now since it is a complete number, so in the next step, we will write all the symbols together and this is your first answer done. The Roman numeral for the number 39. Clear students? Taking the B part. In B part you have to write the Roman numeral for 75. So very first write it 70 plus 5. After that, what is the Roman numeral for 70? The Roman numeral for 70 is 50 plus 20. That means 50. The symbol of 50 is L, X, X. This is our symbol for 70 plus 5. The symbol of 5 is V. In the next step, since we have to write it in the combined form, so let's write it without this operation of plus. So L, X, X, V. This is our symbol, or you can say the Roman numeral for the given Hindu Arabic number 75. Second answer done. Third part. In the third part, you have to write the Roman numeral for 119. So 119, writing its expanded form. So 119 is 100 plus 10 plus 9. Right students? 119 in expanded form is 100 plus 10 plus 9. After that, what is the symbol for 100? C. What is the symbol for 10? X. And what is the symbol of 9? IX. Write it in the combined form. CXIX. This is the Roman numeral form for the given Hindu Arabic number 190. So students, as you are seeing, we are doing, or you can say we are converting the Hindu Arabic number to its Roman form by just writing its expanded form and then writing its their symbolic form. Taking the next part, D part. The D part is 521. So it is 500 plus 20 plus 1. Now what is the symbol of 500? The symbol of 500 is D plus 20xx and 1 is I. Combining them all, it is dxxi. So this is your Roman numeral for the given Hindu Arabic number 521. Okay students, taking the last part, which is your E part, and it is 2075. So 2075, writing the number in its expanded form, 2000 plus 70 plus 5. Now, what is the symbol for 2000? Very first, the symbol of 1000 is M. So, if it is 2000, that means it will be M plus symbol of 70, L, X, X plus symbol of 5 is V. Combining them all, it is M, L, X, X, V. So, this is your Roman numeral notation for the number 2075. Clear students? So this is how you can convert any Hindu Arabic number to its Roman numeral by just writing it in its expanded form. Write the number in its expanded form and then write its notation. Okay students? Now this is clear to all of you. Moving to the next part, in which the numbers are given to us in its Roman numeral form, that means Roman notation, and we have to write them into its Hindu Arabic form. So taking up the first part very first. So solution starts with the first part, and the first number is XLIX. Now there is no such rule, as I have told you in the first part, that whenever you have to convert a Hindu Arabic form to Roman form, then you have to write it in the expanded form. Here in its opposite case, there is no such rule of writing the numbers in its expanded form or separating the symbols. Very first, you just have to see what are the symbolic groups here. So we have to make groups here. So if you keenly observe this first part, XLIX. So here if you see, the first two symbols X and L are in a group and I and X the another group. Now XL, what is the value of X? 10. What is the value of L? 50. Now since there is a small sign, smaller value preceding the bigger value, that means this smaller value will be subtracted from the bigger value. And how I am saying this? According to the Roman numeral rules. We have already learned in which case we are adding and we are subtracting the value. So here XL, XL means 50 minus 10, that is 40. Okay students? So XL will become 40, then plus IX is 9. So what is your number? 49. So your number is 49. Okay students? Taking the second part, and your number is DCXLIX. Now once again, for finding the Hindu Arabic number for this Roman numeral, very first we have to find the groupings. So the grouping will be again, if I keenly observe this, there is a group of two symbols together. The first symbol DC. What is the value of D? Value of D is 500. C 100. Okay. So now this is 500 and 100. Since 100 is after 500, a smaller value is after a bigger value, so it will be added. So 500 plus 100, it will give 600. So we have done the first group. Coming to the second group, XL. X means 10, L means 50. Smaller value preceding the bigger value. So it means it will be subtracted. So what is 50 minus 10? 50 minus 10 is 40. Plus IX, as we have already done in the first part, it is 9. Now Combine these all values, 600 plus 40 plus 9, it will give 649. Okay students, so this is how you have to convert a Roman number to its Hindu Arabic form. I hope these two solutions are clear to all of you. Coming to the next part, C part, CXI. Here in this case, you can write all the three Roman numerals separately. What is the value of C? The value of C is 100, 100. Plus, what is the value of X? It is 10. And then, what is the value of I? It is 1. So, now adding all these three values together, 100 plus 10 plus 1, it will give you 111. So, the Hindu Arabic form for the symbol CXI is 111. This symbol is actually representing 111 into its Hindu Arabic form. Taking the next part, D part, which is XXXVII. Now, XXX is a complete group, VII is another group. What is XXX? It is representing. One of the X represents 10, 3X will represent 30. Plus VII, V representing 5 and these two I's are representing 1 and 1. So 5 plus 2, 7. So what is your number? Your number is 37. Okay students, taking the last part, which is ML. You have to write the Hindu Arabic form for ML. What is this symbol M representing? M represents 1000. M represents 1000. Plus, what is the symbolic form for L? 50. Now, adding 1000 with 50, we'll get 1050. It means this Roman numeral ML is actually representing 1050 in its Hindu Arabic form. Okay students, so today we have learned how to convert Hindu Arabic form to Roman form and Roman to the Hindu Arabic notation. I hope today's solution, all the questions are clear to all of you. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the questions in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson students. Have a great day.